Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English, and for today's English lesson, let's take a look at some idioms and phrases we have with the word spring. Keep in mind that the verb spring is an irregular verb, and the three parts are spring, sprang, sprung. You have a spring in your step. A spring in your step. You have a spring in your step. When you have a spring in your step, you behave as if you're really happy because something really nice happened to you. Jack asked a girl for a date. She said yes, and now he has a spring in his step. He has a spring in his step. He totally has a spring in his step. Jenny has had a spring in her step ever since she got that new job. Yeah, she has a spring in her step. She totally has a spring in her step. He's no spring chicken. He is no spring chicken. A spring chicken is a young chicken. So if we say that a person is no spring chicken, it means they're not so young anymore. Even though Tommy is no spring chicken, he still goes mountain climbing. He is no spring chicken. He's no spring chicken, but he still goes mountain climbing. I don't go to clubs anymore because I'm no spring chicken. I'm no spring chicken, so I don't go to clubs anymore. I'm no spring chicken. I am no spring chicken. When everyone is tired of winter and you have that first really warm spring day, it makes people restless and not want to concentrate on their work or studying in school. So in that case, we can say that they have spring fever. All of the kids in the class were misbehaving because they have spring fever. The whole class was misbehaving because they've all got spring fever. They've got spring fever. I don't feel like working today. I've got spring fever. Let's go to the park. I've got spring fever. I've totally got spring fever. I don't want to work today. When someone springs for something, it means they pay. I can't believe it. The boss sprung for lunch today. That guy is usually so cheap. The boss sprung for lunch today. He sprung for lunch. Steve's parents sprung for vacation for the whole family in Barcelona. His parents sprung for a vacation. They sprung for a vacation. When you spring back from something, it means you recover from that cold or that illness or that bad situation. Bob had a cold, but he finally sprung back today. He sprung back today. He sprung back. It took me 2 weeks to spring back from the flu. Finally, I sprung back from the flu. I sprung back from the flu. How about you? Do you have spring fever? Do you have a spring in your step? Have you sprung for anything recently? Why not leave a comment below and let us know, and I'll see you guys next time right here at Happy English. Bye guys!